Hi guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. Today we're out in Geelong. It's not been a bad drive out here. The 356 has done pretty well. Took us about an hour and a half to get out here. But today we're here with another 1960 356B. Look at this little gem here. Well, it's a little bit windy today. We're with Simon.
How you going?
So, 1960 356B. T5. Which in my mind is the best one. So this looks like it's had a fair bit of work.
Yep, I found it on about 8 years ago. Greg O'Keefe, I bought it off.
Local 356 celebrity.
Yes, and Toby Primrose, I better give him a mention.
Yeah. Okay.
Car was pretty knackered. Put all new floor pans in it, bulkhead, rear seat wells, battery tray, bumper mounts on the front, ran the engine bay surround, renewed all that.
Yep.
And then pretty much it's been a total restoration. It's all brand new. Lowered it. It's got early front hubs, so they're A wheels.
Yeah. Okay.
Because I prefer them than the original ones. Reason being is I don't like that flat look with the Porsche centre caps.
Yep.
I think this makes it look a little bit more period.
Yeah.
It's painted in Dove Blue, which is a Volkswagen colour, not a Porsche colour.
Yep.
Some love it, some don't. But yeah, it's just got my little touch on it.
I think the Dove Blue really suits the car.
Yeah. I mean, it's basically been debadged. I've taken the original rubbers out and just put the black rubbers in it. Painted all the chrome on the sides.
So that's all blue as well.
Yeah, that's all blue as well.
I do like that. That's a nice touch.
And then full leather, red leather interior.
Let's have a look here. Full leather interior. We'll open the door. Here we go. Where'd you get your seats from?
I bought them off of eBay, I think.
Yeah, okay. They're very nice.
But I did the seats, well, the door panels all sort of spec like, the same as with the dash.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's all got the original gauges. There's a couple of odds and sods that are a little different upmarket.
Yeah, okay. Sounds
then,
solid as a rock.
But basically, you know, just removed the overriders, just kept the bumpers normal. B with a 2 litre Type 4 engine in it.
So here we go, Type 4 motor. We've seen a few 356s with Volkswagen motors, and ours is the same as well, but this is a Type 4, not a Type 1. Sharpworks?
Yeah, Sharpworks fan belt conversion with 44 IDAs. All rebuilt by Dean at V-Dubs Only.
Yeah, okay.
He's my little Volkswagen guy that I like to go to. Does great work, builds lovely engines. Very economical, and he's priced very well.
Looks like a really nice setup.
Yeah, it's clean enough, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it is clean. And an original gearbox?
Yeah, original gearbox, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Original gearbox and original brakes.
Okay.
But no, all good, just on club plates.
How'd you find the brakes?
2
litre, bit more,
still
drum brakes.
Yeah, it's a bit difficult at times. You know, you really need to upmarket and go to disc brakes, but I think it is what it is.
Yeah.
As long as you don't thrash it and you're not, you know, a million miles an hour.
Yeah.
And jumping on it. Yeah,
and you're not right up somebody's rear end.
Yeah, exactly.
I think that's a good way to go. I do like the debadging with the Dove Blue. So here we are in the front, Dynamat, which will make a hell of a lot of difference to the car, I think, because ours is horrendously loud. The old fuel tank in the front, but with a V-dub cap on it. Yeah. They all fit, don't they, I think?
Yep.
I've never used the jack in ours. I'm never too sure if that will be safe to use or not, but I guess we'll find out one day. That looks neat and tidy. She looks solid as a rock.
Yeah, oh yeah, there was tons of welding done. You know what I mean? It was a full-on restoration, but you know, it's just one of those things. You got to do what you got to do, and
No, it looks really nice.
Thanks very much. It's had a serious amount of work done to it.
Yeah.
You know,
and was there much on the nose that needed a lot of work, or
a fair
was it
bit?
just out of shape?
It was just out of shape. It had a couple of touches. Somebody did it a couple of times.
Yeah.
So it just needed a little bit of a beat up and a little bit of feathering to make it look good.
Okay.
It's, you know,
And
these old cars do get a lot of damage in the front.
Yeah, and I've said it before. At one point, nobody really wanted them, and then they don't really get looked after, and then that just makes it worse when the prices change or people's interest change in the cars, and then you got to go fix up somebody else's either unloved project or
the bonnet was flipped on that as well.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, the bonnet had been flipped on that, so basically it damaged this scuttle panel. So I had to do all that, re-weld all that up and make that nice and, you know, get it all dollied up. I dollied it all up.
Yeah, okay.
Make it look good. A few little dents in the roof. I mean, if you saw the original photograph of the car, you wouldn't think it was the same car.
Yeah, I might get you to send me some of those.
Yeah.
And we'll tag them on.
Cool.
All right, well, it's been a nice day out in the sun.
Yes.
I think we might go find a spot at lunch.
Yeah.
Hey guys, hope you liked the video. This 356 is absolutely fantastic. Love the Dove Blue, love the debadging of the car. I think Simon's done a great job on it. So we'll catch you next time with a video. See you later, guys.